How to update your name servers at 123-reg.co.uk. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through 123-reg.co.uk and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's nameserver settings. Click Control Panel at the top of the page to sign into your account. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Select the domain name you wish to manage, then click Manage. Click the Change Nameservers (DNS) option under Advanced Domain Settings. Enter your new nameservers, then click Update. That's it! The domain name's nameservers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new nameservers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's nameserver settings at 123-reg.co.uk.